The HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 FTW printer has got a duplex automatic document feeder, which scans two-sided documents in one pass. We'll show you how to copy a two-sided document to two-sided using this feature. We're going to show you how to copy a two-sided document to two-sided on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 printer. So this is a 4-page two-sided document that we're going to copy. We'll load the document into the automatic document feeder. Remember to use the paper guides. From the control panel, select Copy. You'll be copied in color mode, and the sides, you can select one-sided to one-sided, one-sided to two-sided copy, two-sided to one-sided copy. In our case, it's a two-sided to two-sided. So tap on Copy. So this is a document that was copied. Page 1 to page 8. So this is how you do a two-sided copy on your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 printer.